Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to create PDF files on Android. If you have an image or document on your Android phone and you want to turn it into a PDF, you can do it quickly without needing a computer. Let's get started. First, open the Gallery or Photos app on your Android phone. Find the image that you want to convert into a PDF and tap on it to open it. Once the image is open, look for the share icon and tap on it. You will see different sharing options. Look for the print option. If you cannot see it immediately, tap on More Options and look for Print. Tap on Print, and a print preview will appear on your screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the Printer selection menu. From the available options, choose Save as PDF. You should now see a PDF icon or a Save button. Tap on it. Your phone will ask you where you want to save the PDF file. Choose a folder where you can easily find it later. You can also change the file name. For example, you can name it My Document, Application Form, or any name that helps you identify the file. After choosing the folder and file name, tap Save. Your image is now saved as a PDF file on your Android phone. To find the PDF, open the Files app or File Manager on your phone. Go to the folder where you saved the file, and you should see your new PDF. You can also share the PDF with someone. Simply tap the share icon next to the file, and choose the app you want to use. For example, you can send it through Gmail, Messenger, or another messaging app. If you have multiple images or pages, some Android phones also allow you to select several images and save them together as one PDF. This is useful when you have multiple pages of a document. Just select the images, choose Share, select Print, and then choose Save as PDF. Finally, check your PDF to make sure all the pages are included and saved correctly. And that's it. You now know how to create a PDF file directly from your Android phone. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy Android and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.